The purpose with this process step is to bond the individual materials together into a solid panel. If done right with the correct materials, it can handle heat, cold, and mechanical stresses in tough environments. This is achieved through a process where the product goes into the lamination press where it is hot pressed with specific pressures and temperatures based on the desired build and types of materials used. The resin within the prepregs melts and will glue the prepreg to both the inner layer cores and the copper foils. Once hot pressing is done, the product is then transferred to a cold pressing to cool down, noting that a slow and controlled cooling is important to avoid bow and twist of the panel. Once cooled, the resin is cured, bonding the layers together, and the multilayer we created is now very stable. After the cycle is done, the tooling and the bonded multilayer stack leaves the lamination process. We carefully unpack the multilayer panel and move it to the next step. The tooling goes for cleaning to get ready for the next cycle. Lamination is a crucial step in multilayer production. To pass the NCAB audit, each factory must show they have press parameters for various materials and constructions. Additionally, they need to prove through reliability tests that the bonded panel can withstand specific forces or pressures without coming apart.